All right, hi, and welcome to another edition of Scotty's Crunchy Critiques. Here we have something new from Subway, so I know how much you guys love it when I try Subway products. We have Subway Dippers. Um, there's no like veggies or anything. There's just meat and cheese in these. Um, they have three kinds, I believe, and they're all like $3. Um, They have pepperoni and cheese, and then chicken and cheese, and then they have double cheese. And you can choose from whatever their sauces are to dip them in. Uh, this one here is pepperoni and cheese. Now, essentially, what they do is they kind of cut them up into like little, like almost like taquitos, so to speak. And this is half of one, half of a dipper. So we're gonna try it with the Baja Chipotle sauce. This is the pepperoni and cheese one. Right. So Baja Chipotle, pepperoni and cheese. These are again, these are Subway dippers. Mm. So it's essentially like a little flatbread, kind of like a tortilla type thing, but not a tortilla. At least I don't think it's a very flatbread. It's like a flattened flatbread. And they take the pepperoni and cheese. There's not much pepperoni or cheese in there, but I'm sure if you asked, you could probably get them to put like lettuce or something in here. You know, liven it up a little bit. I don't know. But what they do is they put the meat the meat down and then the cheese down, and they roll it up, and then they put it in the toaster thing for however long it's supposed to toast, and then voila. I think this is mozzarella cheese. I'm not sure what kind of cheese they put in there. That I just asked for the dippers and they gave me the dippers. Yeah, it's essentially a fancy taquito. Um, I got two of these, so that was the pepperoni and cheese. Kind of wish there was a little bit of like a marinara sauce or something like that with that, but I'm not gonna complain. Jesus Christ. These bags that they put the dippers in are entirely too. It's like sticking your hand in a printer can. This is the chicken and cheese. For this one, we have the honey mustard. By the way, I love the flavor on the Baja Chipotle sauce. I don't know what it is, but I like it. All right, so this is the chicken and cheese, and the honey mustard. Okay, there's a lot more going on in this one as far as like substance. Chicken is more, it's got a little bit more weight to it than the pepperoni does. You know, obviously the pepperoni is just sliced. This one they put their rotisserie chicken in. Yeah, there's a lot more flavor to this one. Um, Overall, I'm gonna give the just the Subway dippers overall. This one's probably a 7-1. And the other's probably a 6-7. The pepperoni one. Um, they're pretty good. You know, if you need like a little snack at Subway instead of like a full sandwich, these will do the job for you. Yeah, yeah, these will definitely do. Thanks for watching, and keep trying new things. Stay tuned. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but there will be hard Mountain Dew reviews coming soon.